Hi guys, welcome back to Can and Anna's Kitchen, as you know me. So first of all, today we're going to just make some quick banana coconut cookies. So easy to make, 2 ingredients, and these are good for your grandkids when they come over, or anything, your kids yourself, pack lunches. So healthy, just bananas and coconut. So first of all, we've got the bananas, so we've got 3 bananas from the paper. So I'm going to mash the bananas up. So I'm going to cut them up, bananas. I'm going to use the scissors easier. So I cut the bananas. Might as well do this today because it's been snowing again. I'm fed up with the weather. I'm hoping spring's going to come quick because I'm just fed up of the weather. I'll just mix them all up. Now we're just going to have the coconut. Mix that in. We'll add a bit of vanilla essence, just to give it a bit of taste. We need the coconut to put it together. This is just a quick, easy snack, yeah, or a biscuit, whatever you want to call it. Make sure you've got all the bananas in there. And I'm going to scoop it onto the tray. This is just easy. So what it says to do, push them apart in a minute. So what you have to do is you have to push them down because they're not going to spread while they're cooking. So these are going to be nice and soft. I'm only making a couple of these, well 6. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to add some chocolate, a few chocolate chips on top of them. Just a few. Well actually, when I said 3 ingredients I meant 4, because I'm using a few chocolate chips, so just this is an extra what you've got in your kitchen. So, I'll just move them to there and I'll show you them in a minute. And we cook these for 10 minutes. I'll set my timer for 10 minutes. All them gone. Take some off that one because there's too many on that one. So there you go. Banana coconut cookies. So we're just going to put these in the oven for 10 minutes. So we'll come back in 10 minutes. I'm back now. I've had to go and shovel the snow, because if you don't shovel your snow, you don't do your path, you get a fine, which my friends did, and I don't want to be getting a fine. It's starting to melt, but it's a bit easier to shovel. But my husband can't do it because he's got a bad leg, and I'm out of breath now. So we'll take these cookies out of the oven. Whew, bear with me 1 minute, get my breath back. Right, we'll turn the oven off. And there we are. There they are, the cookies. 2 ingredients. So what we're going to do, we're going to put them on a plate. And then we're going to taste, I'm going to taste one when I get my breath back. Oh, so there we are, guys. So we'll try one. Mmm. You can taste the bananas. And you can taste the coconut. Oh, very soft inside, I'll show you. Oh, I'm going to put chocolate chips on top. Oh. All cooked. And so healthy as well. No sugar, nothing. Just bananas and coconut. Just try these at home. Anyway, have a nice day. And I'll go and have a sit down now and get my breath back.